them on.
Welcome back to another exciting episode of The Bizzle Show. Jay Bizzle here, the cool kitty from the Windy City, your host with the most, aka bassist extraordinaire. It's the 4th of July. I'm downtown Mesa, Arizona, and I'm looking for the fireworks show. I'm lost as usual, but we're gonna find it.
Get nice and loud, cheer them on, keep the energy going. We are the Superhero Sun Team. We want to thank you guys so much for coming out to our last show of the night. None of this would be possible without you guys. Give it up for the Superhero Sun Team. Give a big round for our volunteer. King Chilton. If you
Absolutely fucking fire. I gotta say, these are probably almost, if not just as good as any Chicago style hot dog. Look at this motherfucker, bro. That was that.